Hello bananas! So in today's video we're going to make DIY red envelopes for Chinese New Year. Now I know the celebrations for this particular year is almost over, but I want to get it on the craze. So what you're going to need is red construction paper or Bristol board, and I got it in this particular shape. I got it from template from little passports on, and check and click the link in the description box below so you can find one yourself. So what you do is you fold this piece in. This is what it's supposed to look like. And then in order to secure it, you can use either a glue stick, or I just use clear glue. This is from Eleanor, got it from the dollar store. And you put a little bit of the glue right over here, and then I get the glue on this bottom half here. Okay, and then you fold this piece in. Okay, got it right here. And then I fold the bottom part, but fold this part right here like this, and make sure to hold it in place until the glue hardens. And then we'll hold it in place, and then after it's all secured in place with the glue, then you just fold the top big flap, but don't glue it, because then after you fold to make a crease in the top, then you can put little coins or bills in there. For these small red envelopes, I'm just gonna put coins or lucky Chinese ones in there after I decorate them. So check in for part 2, and I'll show you how to decorate them. Right now I'm going to show you different ways how to decorate the red envelope. So I'm going to try golden ingot here. Going to do the outline first. Is right here, and maybe another one right here. I'm going to use a golden marker. Alright, there we go. Sometimes it might get a little difficult when you're holding a camera like I'm doing right now. Another way you can decorate it is use symbols for the Chinese New Year, or even auspicious characters for good luck. So if you want to learn more about these DIYs or any other videos I'm doing, be sure to comment on this video, like and subscribe, click the notification bell. Also, thank you so much for watching. Have a happy Chinese New Year, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!